The New Earth Essentials program, premium nutrition in simple-to-use packets. Essentials is based on the intelligence of nature, and it encapsulates the functional nutrition philosophy, which is that whole foods are how our bodies are meant to get the raw materials to create health. And all health depends on your body's ability to digest and use the nutrients in your diet. The essentials contain organic freshwater wild algae, along with plant-based digestive enzymes and proven probiotics. There is no chemical extraction or high heat ever, no isolates, fillers, or preservatives, and the essentials products are all vegan. The essentials include wild, organic, edible microalgae, a transformative superfood, enzymes to improve your digestion and assimilation, and probiotics to enhance the finishing of your digestive process, the assimilation of nutrients into your blood, and to protect your immune function. Packets contain 5 products. For your digestion and immune system, there is acidophilus, and this is the DDS1 pure strain, bifidus, the bifidum bacterium, and enzymes, a 15 plant-based enzymes formulation plus microblended algae. For your cells and nervous system, as well as for whole body health, you have body, which is the whole cell AFA algae, and mind, which is the algae with the outer cell wall removed, or the juice of the algae. Let's start with our plant-based digestive enzymes product. There are several types of fermented enzymes to help you digest nearly every type of food in this formulation, saving your body energy and reducing stress on your stomach. Lipases help you break down fats, proteases help break down protein, amylases break down several different types of starch and carbohydrates, and cellulase helps to break down fiber. The addition of blended microalgae potentizes the activity of every enzyme in this formula. Enzymes contains 15 types of plant-based enzymes to help you digest nearly every type of food that you may have in your diet, including acid-stable protease, which ensures that proteins are effectively broken down, even in stomach acid. This formula is proven to benefit nearly every diet. So what does science say about what probiotics do? They help control gas and bloating. They help support healthy brain function, support healthy cholesterol production in healthy people. They enhance calcium absorption. They enhance B12 assimilation. And they are absolutely essential in supporting innate immune function. Lactobacillus acidophilus helps maintain the health of your GI tract. New Earth's is pure DDS1. This has been specifically cultivated to promote intestinal health in humans. Acidophilus are especially important in maintaining immune health. Our innate immune system is contained in our small intestinal tract, and in fact are quite dependent on the Acidophilus species to keep them awake and working effectively. This is one of the first areas where your immune functions can start to go wrong. So supporting this health is phenomenally important for your ongoing immune health. Organic wild microalgae and prebiotic inulin provide the live acidophilus cultures with optimal nourishment. Bifidus, or Bifidobacterium bifidum, is essential for the health of your lower GI tract. These bacteria promote a healthy internal ecology down through the large intestine, even to the colon. They are shown to promote brain health and to help assimilate vitamin B12. In fact, some studies show that no matter how much B12 you eat, if you don't have enough bifidum bacterium, you may not be assimilating it. And so because a lack of B12 is almost an epidemic in America, this becomes a really important bacteria to supplement with. Again, organic wild microalgae and the prebiotic inulin provide the live bifidus cultures with optimal nourishment. So what is alpha microalgae? Well, what food has 6 times more antioxidants than blueberries, 5 times the fiber of oatmeal, 6 times more calcium than milk, twice the protein of beef, more chlorophyll than wheatgrass juice, more iron than spinach, and more beta-carotene than carrots? It's the oldest life on Earth. Blue-green microalgae is truly an amazing food. Wild essentials are real whole foods, and that is how our bodies are meant to get the raw materials to create health. Wild foods are the best of all. Wild foods have to survive whatever nature gives them. Farm foods are planted, watered, weeded, fed, nurtured, and harvested at the right time. In traditional Chinese medicine, they are considered to be up to 800 times more potent than farmed foods, and science is showing that this is true, that the nutrients found in wild foods are indeed more effective than the nutrients found in farmed foods. Wild foods are by their very nature adaptogens. In order to survive year to year and century to century, wild foods have to adapt to the changes in nature. The nutrients they create as survival mechanisms to radiation and stress become the nutrients that help your body to adjust to stress instead of getting sick or overwhelmed. Body is the whole algae gently dried. Its highly digestible cell walls are a rich source of proteins and polysaccharides, providing premium nutrients for tissues and cells. Body is rich in the wide spectrum of phytonutrients found in wild algae. It is also an adaptogen, meaning it supports the body's ability to resist stress and normalize itself. Eating body helps bring things into balance regardless of where you're starting from. Mind is the juice or the heart of the algae, created by carefully removing the algae cell wall through our proprietary solvent-free process. Mind is an abundant source of the raw materials for enhancing brain activity, including PEA and the pigment phycocyanin. The amino acids included provide the building blocks of healthy nerve cells and neurotransmitters, vital for optimal brain and nervous system function. Wild harvest and processing. Organic microalgae is a fragile organism. New Earth uses sophisticated technological know-how to harvest, cool, process, and gently dry this organic treasure. Our unparalleled quality control preserves AFA's delicate balance of nutrients and even the enzymatic activity. New Earth goes from lake harvest to quick cooling to multiple cleanings to water removal, fast freezing and storage, all in under 5 hours, guaranteeing you have the best nutrient retention available. GMP manufacturing. We maintain our own manufacturing facilities that are registered by the NSF International to FDA's Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP, and we are also certified GMP for sport in our entire facility. This means that any athlete, clear up to and including Olympic athletes and pros, are able to use any of our products knowing that they will never have to worry about testing negatively. Our certifications are important to us. We know that third-party certifications guarantee you our quality control. We have earned the certifications of kosher, halal, paleo, and USDA organic, as well as wild crafted. We focus on natural regeneration and preserving the ecosystem of our algae. New Earth's algae is wild harvested, and each year it regenerates naturally in the Klamath Lake. This is the only place on the planet where this edible microalgae is harvested. The lake is a unique ecosystem whose headwaters are located in a pristine mountainous region near Crater Lake National Park. Thanks for watching this short video on essentials. To learn more, contact this site and leave us a message or call the phone number that is present on the site.